How to increase profit in Hamster Kombat application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily increase profit to earn more money in short time in Hamster Kombat application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Hamster Kombat application, and now to increase your profit, you need to go to the earn option at the below menu. Once you click on earn option, you will see a list among which you will see the option of profit as well, and beside it you will see a video option. Simply click on it and watch an ad. After you have completed watching the ad, the profit of this Hamster Combat application for your account will be increased for certain period of time. Once I had tried, so profit for me was increased for 1 hour. So in that 1 hour time period, you need to play the game more and more, and in that way you will be able to earn more money. So that's it. That is how easily you can increase profit in Combat application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.